Good to see you today. In this tutorial, we will explore in depth how to activate various settings that allow you to have better control over access rights within document workflows. With elDoc, you could establish strong permissions and controls for your document workflows. This ensures that any sensitive information contained within your documents is protected from unauthorized access. How to get started? Firstly, navigate to the Administration menu and click on Form Designer to access the functionality. Now, let's begin editing one of the document forms that were previously created in elDoc. To activate the editing mode, simply click on the Edit button. To restrict access to who can create a specific document type, you can easily do so. Deactivate the settings that allow all users to create this type of document, and instead, select only the users or group of users who will have access to create and initiate workflows with this document type. Another great capability is the ability to specify on which specific phase of the workflow you would like users with read and write access rights to be able to edit the document. To enable this control setting, simply select the desired workflow phase. An important setting that shouldn't be missed is the capability to specify which users or user groups have access rights to the documents. This allows you to restrict access to selected participants or specific user groups, granting you greater control over document security. Once you have made these adjustments, simply click on the Save button to apply the changes. In addition, you can enhance access control on the workflows as well. To do this, navigate to the Administration menu and click on Workflow Designer. Let's begin editing one of the document workflows that were previously created in elDoc. Here, you can allow or restrict file template replacement and file attachment downloads. Additionally, you have the option to select the desired mode for opening the document. These settings empower you to effectively manage and control document manipulation during different workflow phases. Importantly, you have the flexibility to configure different settings for each specific workflow phase, tailoring access and control as needed. Get your free trial now and experience the power of greater access control and document security firsthand. Sign up for your free trial today.